So what is going on, guys? I'm so excited to share with you this property here in Arlington, Massachusetts. It's listed at 1.6 million. Super beautiful, man. I did something a little different this time. We are just doing a little voiceover, see what you guys like better, you know, what gets more traction, if I'm being honest. But shit, I don't know which exit to take. Yeah, man, if you guys could do me a favor, man, hit that like button, subscribe, do everything, man. Do everything to support, because we're gonna make this shit happen. I promise you, we're gonna make it happen. And yeah, man, enjoy the tour. Peace out. So it is a bit of a rainy day here in Arlington, Mass. I was just touring this property and I thought it was absolutely beautiful. We are trying something a little bit different today. Instead of music, you're gonna have me in your ear. Hope you enjoy that. But here we are at 59 Old Mystic Street. In Arlington, Massachusetts. We've got a 4-bed, 2 full baths, and 2 half baths. I absolutely love this property. It's going for 1.6, just under. Look at this patio. Absolutely beautiful. Approximately 4,000 square feet of living area. I love the space. There's so much space. A little office here with a lot of lighting. Let's do downstairs first, which I believe was right here. Yes. Nice living area here. We've got a half bath. You guys don't want to see what's behind there. Just a bunch of storage. So much space in this house. I see why it's worth. I wouldn't be opposed to buying a home like this. Let's start with this bedroom here. So much lighting, which I am not opposed to. A few closets, which we're not going to go into. Now, this has to be one of my favorite master bathrooms. So, beautiful tub. Absolutely wonderful shower here. Let's say that. Oh yeah. bedroom here. There is no access to that side of the road. The only access point is in between two houses. It's your washer and dryer. Got another bathroom, just extremely well lit. Another way downstairs. We've got a pretty spacious bedroom here. Can't say it's small. Just get a nice view of outside. Oh yeah. I actually haven't been down these stairs yet. So we're gonna see where we end up at. Oh, right at the kitchen. Let's give you guys another look at this. Beautiful kitchen. And then I'll give you guys a look around. It is raining a bit. Kind of a muggy day. Beautiful home. This does look like it would be the front, but there is no access to the road there, like I said earlier. Ah man, I'm gonna be tracking in mud, huh? Well, not too bad. It's mainly grass. Okay. There we go. Beautiful home. Entrance to the basement there. That storage room I was talking about. Okay. Add some finishing touches too. So this is listed by Vita Realty Group, by Don Hodge and Philip J. Vita with Compass.